Hey there, auto repair shop owners. Are you tired of seeing potential customers drive right by your shop? Well, I've got some news that's going to rev up your business. I get it. You've tried everything. Newspaper ads, flyers, even the occasional radio spot. But it feels like you're just throwing money into a black hole, right? What if I told you there's a way to reach the exact customers you want, right when they're most likely to need your services? Enter geofencing, the game changer in digital marketing for auto repair shops like yours. Imagine setting up invisible fences around specific areas, maybe near your competitors, or in neighborhoods where your ideal customers live. When someone enters these areas, boom, they see your ad on their phone or computer. But here's the kicker. It's not just about location. We can target people who are actively searching for auto repair services online. So when someone in your area Googles oil change near me, guess whose ad they'll see? Now, I know what you're thinking. Sounds great, but what about the cost? Well, let me blow your mind with some numbers. We've seen auto repair shops achieve a mind-blowing 1.47% return on investment. That's not a typo, folks. One shop brought in 48 new customers and 18 returning customers in just 1 month, resulting in over $51,000 in profit. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about working smarter, not harder. Geofencing lets you 1. Target the right customers at the right time. 2. Outmaneuver your competition. 3. Measure your success with detailed analytics. 4. And most importantly, stop wasting money on ads that don't work. Imagine a steady stream of new customers walking through your door, all because they saw your ad at the perfect moment. That's the power of geofencing. Ready to put your auto repair business in the fast lane? Don't let another potential customer drive by. Click the link below to schedule a free 15-minute discovery call. We'll show you exactly how geofencing can work for your specific business. Remember, in today's digital world, the right technology can be the difference between struggling and thriving. Let's get your auto repair shop where it belongs, in the winner's circle.